Are you new to HubSpot, ready to learn how to add contacts to your HubSpot CRM? Or maybe you've already been adding contacts to your database, but you missed a vital setup task pertaining to adding contacts into that HubSpot CRM that you're quickly falling in love with. Either way, in this video, we got you covered. By the end of this video, you're gonna be a contact adding Jedi. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and inbound strategies to help your business grow, then you're in the right spot. Make sure you subscribe to keep learning more and use the comment section below to ask us all the inbound and HubSpot questions that you may have. Now, let's get into the good stuff. So with all the automagic ways that HubSpot can add contacts to your HubSpot portal, one of the ways that you're still going to need to do this as a marketer or a sales professional is manually adding them. Now, the thing about this is that you might think the first thing that you're going to want to do is simply come to contacts and then go to contacts, and on the right hand side of the page, click create contact. But wait, stop. That's not exactly what you want to do. The first thing that you're going to want to do when creating contacts is head over to your HubSpot settings area. This is the icon right here for HubSpot settings. And you're going to head over to the contacts and companies section before ever adding a contact into your HubSpot portal, because there's a couple things that you're going to want to do. First of all, you can see here that you can set the properties your team sees on contact records. So this is the visual sidebar of all the information that is important to them, being able to diagnose if this contact is a good lead, a good customer, or just a bad fit in general when they end up being entered into your database. And it will show all of the information that gets displayed as they're entering this contact and that you collect over time. But more importantly than that is set the properties all users in your account see when creating contacts. You don't want them to just put information that is not important or is fluff information. You really want them, when creating a contact, to put the amount of information you need to get that contact in your portal to do the right things. And so with that, we can go ahead and click the manage button here, and you're going to see that we have all of the properties that we have built either custom or that HubSpot has in here by default. And you can use the search functionality to grab any of this information and then put it over into the selected properties area. Now notice you also do have a required, so don't let them create a contact without certain information. So for instance, email, you want to make sure you have email required as one of those properties. Why? Because HubSpot uses the email of the contact record to dedupe your contact. So if you don't want to have 37 John Smiths, make sure that John Smith has an email, and there might be 37 John Smiths, but only because there truly are 37 John Smiths and not one John Smith repeated over and over and over in your database. Once you have this done, we'll go ahead and flip back over to actually how to create a contact. So now we're back over here, and to create a contact manually in HubSpot, we're simply going to hit create contact, and then we're going to go ahead and put their information in. So I'll quickly go ahead and put some information in. So as you can see, we've got OB1 who we want to go ahead and sell and market to, and we can put the company name in here, and of course their phone number, their job title, website URL, any of the things that we've decided that need to be in for that contact. And then we can go ahead and hit create contact. Now, once we create that contact, you are going to be sent over to their contact record, where you're going to be able to see all of that sidebar information that we talked about you being able to set up by default for your team, as well as lead intelligence and a whole bunch of other items. But we have videos on this contact record, you can go watch those next. 1. Go set up your contact record sidebar defaults. 2. Set up the properties you want added and required when your team adds contacts. And 3. Make sure you have all of your custom properties, the questions you want to ask, in place as well. Then it's up to you to use the force and get those contacts added and those conversations started. Did you like this video? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com for more actionable and tactical HubSpot user resources. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for those instant notifications, and so that we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community. And until next time we meet, of course, in the next video, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human. And as always, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.